So some things that parents and kids can do together, and something that has worked really well for me and my son, is cooking together. When you're cooking together, it builds in a lot of literacy and numeracy skills. So if I'm taking a half cup of something versus a full cup of something, that's fractions right then and there for your child to see. If you let them make their sandwich and you tell them to cut it into two equal parts, that's numeracy for them. That's also language development. Bring me the jam or bring me the butter. You're also teaching them life skills when they're doing stuff together. And I always tell parents, don't shy away from giving your children work. Especially in India, my helpers at home, they're so shocked if my son is putting the laundry or he's loading the washing machine. They're saying, oh, he's only 4. Why are you making him do all this? Because it's his house too. It's his laundry too. So simple things like clipping the laundry, when he's clipping the laundry, that's fine motor skills right there. When he's learning how to handle a butter knife and spread the butter, that's a fine motor skill that he's learning right there. So I really feel cooking and involving your children in house chores builds a lot of language and numeracy skills. And I also said in the first part, just activities together should be game based. So when I'm doing a puzzle, that can become an opportunity for literacy learning. I can do rhyming words through that. I can do beginning letter sounds through a puzzle. So any kind of play, I can put 3 Lego blocks together to make a word. If your child is at that level, where your child is beginning to read words, I can just put 3 Lego blocks together with a marker. I can write actor. I put it together and my child reads it. When I'm cooking, very often my son plays on the fridge with magnetic letters. So he'll just put the letter, tell me a sound, tell me a word with it, or he'll put numbers, and then he'll put, how many. So if he's put 2, and the number 2, he'll put 2 magnetic letters there. So just any activity can be turned into fun and learning at home.